This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Books Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I love being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, I'm going to give a quick overview of the new lesson series that's going to be rolling out, which will accompany the Chords and Harmony book from my Method Book series. So originally the Chords and Harmony book was actually two different volumes, book 1 and book 2. In more recent editions, those books have been combined into one book, just called Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2. So with these books and in this new lesson series, we're going to go over all the chords that we play in what we call first position on the guitar. So down here in this lower end. These chords can be used to play thousands, millions of different songs. We'll be working on strumming with these chords. We'll work on finger picking some. And with them, we'll play lots and lots of different songs. We'll also eventually go over bar chords, or what we call movable chords up here on the neck. Power chords that get used to play rock guitar and so on. We'll also look at chords like major 7th chords and these really pretty ones, these colors that we sometimes see sneaking in to our pop songs and even our folk songs, but also that we play in, say, jazz music and those styles. We'll do those up here on the neck as well. Learn lots of different chords. Add 9 chords. Basically, any type of chord that we end up playing on the guitar, we will cover to some degree in this lesson series and with this method book. Now, besides having instruction, and I'll demonstrate things, show you how to do things, and sort of explain some of the material that's covered in the books, we'll also have lots of time to jam together. When I teach one-on-one or in classes, I've got all these years of experience teaching at universities, over 12 years of experience teaching at a university, this sort of thing. When I'm in there in those classrooms in the one-on-one setting, I'm always about this being a social experience, a band experience. We're in the band. Part of the reason we want to play music is sort of have fun, jamming with others. So here in this lesson series, we kind of create that just a little bit. Whether it's just you and me, we'd be jamming together. We're in a band. So there's lots of songs and exercises throughout the book, and we'll be jamming together with these. There'll also be drums and bass, keys, that sort of thing to join us as we're jamming along. So it'll hopefully give you the sensation that you're jamming right along with a band as you're learning, which is super fun. Because that's really a big part of playing the guitar, jamming with that band, besides sitting at home and maybe doing a little strumming and singing all on our own. So it's going to be great. I will see you in this lesson series.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.